Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. We are at the point on this pontoon restoration where we're getting our seats all screwed in and we're getting to our armrest. This armrest is gonna bookend or end cap this 55-inch bench seat. This is the luxury beige. It's got that tan diamond inlay with the black stitching, stainless cup holders. Really nice looking armrest. End caps this bench and L couch really well. We've got it screwed into the deck. We've got it attached to our seat base of our 55-inch. We've got videos on this on our YouTube channel on how the full installation goes. But if you've still got a little bit of play like this in a seating situation where this is a bookend without a railing against it, a lot of times this is going to be in the front of your boat where you have the railing against it, everything's nice and snug. We've got a trick to hold this in place even better. We're going to take a number 10 or 12 stainless screw, 2 to 2.5 inches long, and we're gonna run it through the railing into the back of the armrest, and that's gonna pull everything together and give that armrest some reinforcement so it can't wiggle. We're gonna take a drill bit that's slightly bigger than our stainless screw. We're gonna line up, if you feel on this, and you can even take the cup holder out and feel from the inside too, there's a nice big plastic backing. It's a high density plastic. That's in here, that's about a 1/2 inch thick. It's a really beefy piece, and it runs basically from here over to the corner here. So I'm going to try to get my hole lined up. So I'm getting into this last about inch of armrest. I'm going to run a hole through the railing, but I'm not going to go through the plastic. I'm going to let the screw thread into the plastic. So I line everything up. I'm going to push my armrest in a little bit, not too hard, but just enough to get it where I want it touching the bench cushion, and then I can drill my hole. And it's okay if you poke through and poke the vinyl of the armrest. That's all going to be sandwiched against the railing in a second, so it won't matter. I can now run my screw through, line it up. I'm going to get it started in my armrest. And I'm just going to give a little push, a little bit of help on the railing as I suck that in, just snug it up. That screw disappeared right in. It's barely poking through the inside. It adds a little bit of support to the railings. It gets this gap eliminated, and now when I sit against this, it's not gonna pull away. If I put pressure against that armrest, it's not going anywhere. I get a lot sturdier armrest and less likely for any accidents to happen with any old screws stripping out. That is a tip that we use constantly when installing armrests, especially when they're free floating just like this one. Thank you for watching.
Is it warm today?
I can't complain about the heat and stuff.
No.
Somebody said, love your videos, but all you did was complain about everything.
Somebody really said that?
Does that surprise you? Yeah, great videos, but you complained about how hard it was and how hot it was, and I mean, I complain a lot.
This is true.
But I get stuff done.
You don't stop working.
I'm not even that sweaty. It's 90 degrees out. Not even that sweaty today.
You're saying you wish it were warmer.
No, it does not need to be warmer.